English voice to use the adverbs quite, pretty, rather, fairly, and adjective or adverb.
Quite, less than very, but more than a little.
It's quite hot today. It's quite a hot day. Quite comes before a or an. Let's look at another example sentence. The question, did you enjoy the meal? Yes, it was quite nice. Pretty, less than very, more than a little. It's pretty hot today. It's a pretty hot day. Pretty is more informal. Our example question, did you enjoy the meal? Yes, it was pretty good. Rather, less than very, more than a little. It's rather hot today. It's a rather hot day. We use rather for unusual or negative ideas. Our example, did you enjoy the meal? Yes, it was rather nice. Fairly, less than very, but more than a little. It's fairly hot today. It's a fairly hot day. Fairly is weaker than quite, pretty, and rather. Our example, did you enjoy the meal? Yes, it was fairly nice. Let's look at some more examples. I quite like your ideas. Our own example, his paintings are considered quite unusual. That is a pretty good price. Our example, your aunt seems pretty fond of you. She's rather angry today. Our example, they arrived at our door rather unexpectedly. My office space is fairly small. Our last example, I'm fairly certain it won't rain tomorrow.